how to create a high converting landing page on System.io. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a high converting landing page on System.io. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the System.io website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on funnels. Then click on create. After that, this thing will pop up. Over here, you have to enter the name of your funnel and its domain. Then select the funnel goal as we are creating it from scratch. So just click on custom and select your currency. Then click on save. After that, click on the funnel that you have created and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to select the landing page that is relevant to your niche or business and click on it. After that, you have to give a name to your landing page and then click on this icon. Here, you will have multiple options that you can use to customize your landing page according to your needs. You can change fonts, headings, elements, and layouts. You can also add an image or video as well. If you look at blocks section, here you also have multiple options to choose from. You can add features, page footers, page headers, testimonials, and many more things like that. After doing all these things, you have to then click on Save Changes. So that's how you can create a high converting landing page on System.io. That's all for this video.